If you have such beaded chains at home and you all don't use them, then this is what you can do. So basically I'm going to open up this string and separate the beads off, and then taking this jewelry making wire which is looped at one end, I will start adding the beads. Now adding the beads totally depends upon your choice how you want to add them. If you want to add them the same color wise or different colors, it's totally up to you. So here I'm going to make one set of beads like this and then loop up the end of this wire. So looping is a little bit tedious, but then once you have done it, just cut off the extra portion of the wire that you have and tighten up the loop. That's it. That loop once tightened, you will attach it to another set of bead. So that's what I have done already. Using a jump string, I will connect each of these beads that I have made in different parts. So like this. Once you have all of them attached, and this forms your bracelet chain, I have attached the S hook at the end using a jump ring, and on the other end I have attached an extra chain with the jump ring, so I can use it as an adjustment to make it tight or loose. So that's it. There, my bracelet is ready. Don't you think this is a very useful thing you can make out of the bead chain that is just lying there in your jewelry box without any use, and you can give one to your friend as well. So friends, if you all like this hack, do let me know in the comments section, and if you are new out here,